everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the hidden gossip quest special security blanket in Heartopia. So first, just find NPC any at the central square on here, like this, and then next just buy around 3 until 4 musical instrument from her music store, like this. Like this, in here I will buy 3 instruments. And after that, you will automatically receive a gossip quest from Atara. Next, just receive the quest like this. And then next just head over to NPC Eric at the onsen mountain. Just go meet the NPC Eric like this. And then next, just talk to him to accept the next quest. This gossip quest is actually very easy because you just need to follow the NPC instructions. Like from here, from Eric, just go talk to Mrs. Joan. Like this. And then next just return to Annie. Talk to her. And then after that, you will be asked to visit one of 3 NPCs. Since already Central Square, I will choose Billy J because it's the closest one. And once you're done, just go back to Eric again. And then after that, just talk to Bob. Bob will ask you to collect 3 materials like this, or stone and repair kit. Just gather all the required materials and then submit them, and the quest will be complete. The quest will be complete like this, and as a reward, you will receive this item, and some players also say you can get a speaker furniture recipe, but it seems like it may be delivered to your mailbox later, and I haven't received it yet, so I can't show it in this video. But that's the tutorial for complete this quest. And okay, that's how to trigger and complete the hidden gossip quest special security blanket in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.